Keyboard. Keyboard is one of the most popular and widely used input device, which is used for typing text. It has many buttons on it called keys. You can use these keys for entering numbers, letters and special characters into the computer. There are 122 or more keys in modern keyboards. Wireless keyboard and multimedia keyboards are widely used in modern computer system. Most of the keys on the keyboard produces letter, number and sign, but there are some keys on the keyboard which are used for giving command to the CPU. Keyboards are also used for computer gaming. Let's know about the use of keys on the keyboard. First, alphabet key. A to Z are the alphabet keys. By default, pressing these keys, we type all alphabets in lowercase. If we want to type them in capital letter, we need to press caps lock, or we may press shift with that required key. Number keys. 0 to 9 are the number keys. Number keys are located above the alphabet key. It is also there in the right side of your keyboard. Spacebar is the longest key on your keyboard. To create space between two words or numbers, we use this key. Tab key. Tab key is used to move the cursor to a particular position, to type something in a tabular form. There are other uses of tab key also. It works like a toggle key. When we press Alt and Tab key together, we can move smoothly from one window to another. Next is caps lock key. If you on the caps lock key, it will all the alphabets you will type will be written in uppercase, and when you keep it off, all alphabets will be written in small letter. It is called toggle key. Shift key is used for different purposes to type alphabets in capital letter. When the caps lock is off, we press the shift with the alphabet key, then the text will be written in capital letter. If the caps lock is on, then to type in small letter, we can press shift key with the required alphabet key. There are 4 arrow keys we can see on our keyboard. It is just after the space bar. There are 2 more keys, and then after we can see those up arrow, down arrow, left and right arrow. They helps us to move our cursor as per our requirement. Enter key is used to create a new line. On your keyboard, there are 2 enter keys. Next is delete and backspace. Both of them are used to remove or erase something. Difference is delete key will remove after the cursor and backspace will remove before the cursor. The blinking line on your screen when you type is called the cursor. There are some special characters you can see on your keyboard at the top of each of the alphabet number keys above your alphabet keys, just like exclamatory sign, @ hash, dollar, %, tilde, ampersand, asterisk, open bracket, underscore, close bracket, underscore, plus, colon, open inverted comma. There are many more. If you find that in one key there are two things written, for the top one to be typed on the screen, you need to press the shift with that key. For example, if you want to type @ you need to press shift with 2 above the alphabet key together. Escape key is used to end the task that you are doing presently. Suppose you have opened a window and you have clicked on file, save, then you found that you don't want to save, you can press the escape key to close the save message box. Insert key is used to overwrite a character. If you press the insert key before a character, that character will get removed and that place something else what you want to type will be written. There are 12 function keys on our keyboard. They are used to give command to the CPU. Alt key is used to change different functions of other pressed key. When we press the Alt key with other key, they give different type of command to the computer. Shift, Alt and Control are called modifier keys because individually they can't type anything for you, but when you press these keys with some other key, they can do a special task for you. Okay, next, some interesting facts about keyboard. Spacebar is the longest key on every keyboard. When we hit spacebar, 6 lakh people throughout the world did just the same. The word typewriter can be typed using only top row of QWERTY keyboard. Because of long period of typing on a regular keyboard can lead to strain. That's why keyboard ergonomics were discovered. With this, I want to add something more. The computer keyboard which we use are commonly known as QWERTY keyboard. The name QWERTY comes from the first 6 letters in the top row of the alphabet keys on the keyboard.